So this is cordless, right? There's no cords. There's no cords. The Tineco Floor One S3 cordless hardwood floor cleaner. This is going to be a wet and dry vacuum. This is for multi-cleaning surfaces. Multi-surface cleaning with smart control. I'm going to explain how all of that works because this uses an iLoop smart sensor, and that iLoop smart sensor is going to measure and detect wet and dry surfaces when you're using it. So if there's a big stain here, let's say you spilled some cereal. This can clean up that wet cereal. Well, it can also clean up dry cereal. And we're going to show you that experiment right now. Okay, so what does this do? I'm going to show you exactly what this does. So it's a great cordless vacuum and wash. But I'm going to show you why. And I'm not going to even use words. I'm going to use my hands. I'm going to use this board. I'm going to make some cereal. So let's make some cereal here. Here's my cornflakes, right? Here's my cornflakes. Here is my jar, and here is some oat milk. So what is this, right? We're gonna make our cornflakes. We're gonna make some cereal, messy cereal. This is a messy cereal cleanup job. We're gonna make our oat milk. So brand new oat milk. Look at that, already spilled. Here is the display. You guys see that display? This display has a color bar here that when it detects dirt, it's going to light up and notify you. It also does that inside the app. Here is your water tank that you're going to be removing, and this is what you're going to be using for your mopping solution. Easy removal, easy installation, and we're just going to be placing it back right now. And here is the brush. Here is all the tools, rinse and dry. This has a self-clean mode. It will clean itself. There is a power button on the top here. So your power buttons are right here. When you turn it on, auto mode, you'll see that it's activated right now. Now, watch this. When I remove, I'm gonna just do half. You guys notice this? It's mopping and vacuuming it up. How many passes did I make, guys? How many passes? How many passes was that? Power. We're just waiting for. Watch this. When it hits the cereal, the screen will light up red, and that's indicating that it's really dirty. And that, you see that? You see that red? That indicates that it was dirty. This is a computer inside.
Charging has commenced. Auto detecting whether to run self-cleaning cycle. Please begin self-cleaning cycle.
There's a button on top. We're gonna hit
Start self-cleaning.
Start self-cleaning. Cleaning itself. Cleaning. All you gotta do is dump this water out and it's all clean. It's all clean. This is clean inside. It does it all for you. If you want to even do double check, you can just use the wand right there. But this is all clean. And now you're done. Now you're ready for your next project. And so if I want to add in a device, what do I do? Here we go. If I want to add a device into our app for the Tineco, we're going to add a device. We're going to look for cordless vacuum hard floor cleaner. Okay, we're going. And okay, so how you connect, this is how you connect your Tineco to your phone and use the app. So you have a barcode, you'll have a barcode right here along with a reset button right here. And once you've connected the Floor One S3 to your app, all you gotta do is pick it, and this is what you get access to. You get access to your cleaning status, your battery life, how dirty and how full your clean water and dirty water tanks are. You can control the speed and it displays all your information just in case you want to control it remotely.